Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today, let's journey back to the 1950s, a time of rock and roll, classic cars, and the birth of a fast food legend. In 1954, a man named Elam Phelan, the founder of the Broster Company, changed the game entirely. Phelan developed a pressure-frying technique that was nothing short of revolutionary. This method transformed the way we think about fried chicken. Imagine marinating your chicken with a blend of secret spices, giving it a delightful breading that adds an extra layer of flavor, and then cooking it under pressure in a special Broaster pressure fryer. This wasn't just any fryer, it was a game changer. The unique pressure frying process locked in the juices while creating a perfectly crispy exterior. The result? Chicken that was crispy on the outside and gloriously juicy on the inside. Talk about a win-win. This technique ensured that every bite was a burst of flavor and tenderness, making it a favorite among fried chicken enthusiasts everywhere. So why did Phelan invent this method? Simple. He wanted to meet the growing demands of the fast food industry. In a world that was speeding up, people wanted their food fast, but they didn't want to compromise on taste. Phelan's pressure frying technique allowed for faster cooking times without sacrificing flavor. The Broaster Company patented both the equipment and the process, revolutionizing the way fried chicken was prepared. This innovative approach didn't take long to catch on. Restaurants and fast food joints across the United States quickly adopted this new technique. The appeal was undeniable. After all, who wouldn't want to serve chicken that's both crispy on the outside and incredibly juicy on the inside? It was a total game changer in the world of fried chicken. The Broaster method not only enhanced the flavor but also ensured a consistent quality that customers loved. This consistency helped build a loyal customer base, making Broaster a household name. The success of the Broaster Company is a testament to the power of innovation in the culinary world. What made this method stand out was its ability to retain moisture and flavor. Traditional frying methods often left the chicken dry, but not with Phelan's invention. The pressure frying technique locked in the juices, giving customers an unparalleled fried chicken experience. It was love at first bite. So, the next time you sink your teeth into a piece of crispy, juicy fried chicken, savor the flavors and the crunch. Remember Elam Phelan and his brilliant invention that revolutionized the way we enjoy this beloved dish? His innovation brought a new level of convenience and taste to kitchens everywhere, making it possible for everyone to enjoy perfectly fried chicken at home. It's a delicious piece of history that's still making waves today, continuing to delight taste buds across the globe. Thanks for tuning in to this flavorful journey through time. We hope you enjoyed learning about the origins of this iconic dish. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this tasty trip down memory lane. Share this video with fellow food lovers and subscribe for more delicious stories. See you next time.